Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English vocab listening channel. Today, we're going to listen to a conversation that takes place at an airport. In this lesson, you'll follow Anna and David as they begin their exciting journey to London. You'll hear simple and natural English phrases that are useful when traveling by plane. Don't worry, I will speak slowly and clearly, so just relax and enjoy the story. Before we begin, I have a small question for you. Please listen carefully and try to find the answer during the conversation. This will help improve your understanding. Here is today's question. What is the weight limit for the suitcase? The answer will appear in the conversation. If you hear it, please write it in the comments. I always enjoy reading your answers, so I'm looking forward to them. All right, are you ready? Their journey is about to begin. Let's start.
Wow, we're finally here.
I know. I really love being at the airport.
Same here. It feels like something exciting is about to happen.
Look around. There are so many people.
Yeah, it's so crowded. Everyone is heading somewhere.
I wonder where they're all going.
Maybe some are going on vacation, like to the beach.
Or maybe to different continents, Europe, Asia, anywhere.
That's such a fun thought.
Do you hear the announcements?
Yes, I do. They're calling flights and changing gates.
I really like that sound. It makes it feel real.
Exactly. It makes me feel like I'm truly traveling.
So, are you excited about our trip to London?
Of course. I've been waiting for this for so long.
Me too. I think it's going to be an amazing trip.
I packed everything last night. I was too excited to sleep.
Really? I packed 3 days ago.
Wow, that's early.
I didn't want to forget anything important.
That's actually a good idea.
So, where should we go first?
We need to check in, right?
Yes, let's find the check-in counter.
I think it's over there.
Oh yeah, I see it too.
There's a line, but it's not too long.
That's good. Let's go now before it gets busy.
I can't believe we're really doing this.
Believe it, it's happening.
You're right. Our trip starts now.
Let's not wait any longer.
Okay, let's go check in.
Come on, follow me.
Good morning. Welcome to the airport. May I see your passport, please?
Good morning. Yes, of course. Here you are. I also have my friend's passport.
Thank you. Let me check your details. All right. I see you are traveling to London today. Is that correct?
Yes, that's correct.
Great. And how many people are traveling?
There are 2 of us.
Okay. Do you have any bags to check in?
Yes, I have 1 suitcase. And my friend also has one.
All right. Please put your bag on the scale.
Sure, here it is.
Let me check the weight. Your suitcase is a little over the limit.
Oh, really? Is it too heavy?
The weight limit is 23 kilograms. Your bag is 24 kilograms, so it is 1 kilogram over.
Oh no, I packed too many things. Do I need to take something out?
Well, since it's only a little over, I'll allow it this time. Don't worry.
Thank you so much. That's very kind.
You're welcome. Here is your boarding pass. And here is your friend's boarding pass.
Thank you very much.
Your gate is B12, located in Terminal 2. Please go through security first, then follow the signs.
B12 in Terminal 2. Got it. Thank you for your help.
My pleasure. Boarding will begin about 30 minutes before departure. Have a nice flight.
Thank you. Have a great day.
Okay, we're through security now.
Yes, that was fast.
Now we need to find gate B12.
That sounds far.
Yeah, it's in Terminal 2.
This airport is really big.
Bigger than I expected.
Looks like we have to walk a lot.
Don't worry, we still have time.
How much time?
About 2 hours.
That sounds like a lot, but this hallway is so long.
True, but look, the signs say B gates are this way.
Okay, good.
At least we know where to go.
Let's keep walking.
My legs are already tired.
Already?
Well, we walked a lot earlier too.
That's true.
Oh look, a moving walkway.
Great idea. Let's use it.
Yes, that will help.
This is much easier.
I wish the whole airport had these.
That would be perfect.
Oh look, there's a sign ahead. It says Terminal 2.
Really? That means we're getting close.
And I see another sign. B gates are this way.
Good. We're going the right direction.
I was a little worried earlier.
Me too, but now I feel better.
Let's keep going.
Next time, I want a gate closer to the entrance.
Same here.
At least we're getting some exercise today.
That's true.
Hey, stop for a second. Look over there.
Wow, that plane is huge.
It really is. One of the biggest I've ever seen.
I love watching airplanes.
Me too. I could stay here for hours.
Look, that one is taking off now.
Oh wow, it's moving so fast.
And now it's going up into the sky.
That's amazing.
I wonder where it's going.
Maybe Paris or Rome.
That would be nice.
I really want to visit Paris someday.
Me too. Let's plan that for our next trip.
That sounds like a great idea.
Oh, look, there's a smaller plane.
Yeah, I see it.
It looks like it's getting ready to leave.
I can't wait for our flight.
How much time do we have now?
About an hour and a half.
Our plane should already be at the gate.
I feel so excited right now.
Me too. Airports are really special.
I agree.
Oh, look, another plane is landing.
It's getting closer and closer.
I wonder where it came from.
It could be from anywhere.
That's what makes this place interesting.
The whole world connects here.
That's a beautiful way to think about it.
Thanks.
So, should we go find our gate now?
Yes, let's go.
But wait, do you want to stop at the lounge?
Oh, yes, that's a great idea.
Let's go inside.
Wow, this place is so quiet.
It feels very relaxing.
The chairs look really comfortable.
I could fall asleep here.
Don't fall asleep.
Don't worry, I won't.
Can we get food here?
Yes, everything is free.
Really? That's amazing.
Let's see what they have.
I'm getting hungry.
They have sandwiches, salads, fruit, and snacks.
That sounds good.
And drinks like coffee, tea, and juice.
Perfect. I'll get juice and fruit.
I'll get coffee and a sandwich.
Let's sit by the window.
Good idea.
I'll find a seat.
I'll bring the food. Here you go. I got your juice and some fruit.
Thank you. This looks really fresh.
My coffee smells amazing too.
How's it taste?
Sip. Perfect. Nice and hot.
This is such a nice way to start the trip.
I agree. It's so calm here.
Let's just relax for a bit.
Definitely. We should enjoy every moment.
I'm really happy right now.
Me too.
But we should check the time soon.
Good point. We don't want to miss the flight.
When does boarding start?
About 30 minutes before departure.
So we should leave in around 45 minutes?
Yes, that should be enough time.
Great. Let's enjoy our food slowly.
Sounds like a perfect plan.
I'm glad we came here.
Me too. It was a really good idea.
All right, let's head to the gate.
Okay, let's go.
Here we are, gate B12.
We finally found it.
And we still have some time before boarding.
That's good.
Look at all the people waiting here.
They must all be going to London too.
That's exciting.
Look outside. Our plane is at the gate.
Wow, it looks huge from here.
I know. I'm starting to feel a bit nervous.
You are? Why?
I always feel this way before a flight.
That's normal. Many people feel the same.
Thanks. That makes me feel better.
Listen, they're making an announcement.
Yes, our flight is being called.
Boarding will start soon.
Excited. This is really happening.
My heart is racing.
Mine too. But it's excitement, not fear.
True. Are you ready?
Absolutely. I've been ready all morning.
Me too. Let's get in line.
Okay, let's go.
Boarding has started. This is going to be the best trip.
I feel the same way.
Come on, let's move forward.
Right behind you.
This is it. We're about to board the plane.
I know. It really feels real now.
Do you have your boarding pass ready?
Yes, right here.
Great. I have mine too.
Let's show them to the staff at the door.
Okay, here we go.
That was easy.
Now we just walk down this bridge to the plane.
I can already see the airplane door.
Me too. It's right at the end.
We're so close now.
Just a few more steps.
I'm really excited. This trip is going to be wonderful.
I feel the same way.
Let's make amazing memories on this trip.
Absolutely.
This will be the best trip ever.
I'm sure of it.
Thank you for organizing everything.
And thank you for coming with me.
Of course, I wouldn't miss this for the world.
Not in a million years.
Exactly.
All right, let's get on the plane.
Our adventure starts now.
Yes, let's go.
London, here we come. So, how was the story? I hope it helped you practice your English listening. Now, let's go back to the question. What is the weight limit for the suitcase? Did you catch it? If you did, please write your answer in the comments. I always enjoy reading your responses. Practicing like this helps improve your English faster. On this channel, I share slow and easy English conversations to help you learn naturally. I'll continue uploading lessons like this. If you liked it, please subscribe, like the video, and leave a comment. You can also support the channel by becoming a member. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Goodbye.